Alright, you guys, I am on a mission to make Vinny the best birthday cake I can make him during quarantine because quarantine sucks. So I'm on my way to Walmart while my cakes are in the oven. I'll show you what those look like when I get there. This is the wrong aisle. I'm trying to find the little cakey aisle. Wherever that went. I can't find the cake aisle. Anyway, so Vinny likes monster trucks, and Vinny really wants a Max D. I'll insert photo here. I couldn't talk, there was people looking at me. Anyways, Vinny wants a Max D monster truck cake. So I had to come and get a couple of things because this is a little bit of a difficult one for me. The last one that I did for him that was fancy was just Mickey Mouse's head, so that was a little bit easy. But now I've got to really fine things. Like I've got some black icing and a cake board and some real like icing color instead of like food coloring. And now I'm going to go up the baking aisle. And I'm gonna go the wrong way. I'm gonna go against the signs that say go this way. And I'm gonna need some more fluffy white icing. Okay, value, because I'm cheap like that. Want to make sure I have enough colors. But this thing is like gray and you guys probably can't see my face. This thing is gray and weird and yeah. So I'm trying to find something that looks like little spikes on top of it. What about? Wait, I can use Hershey Kisses. 1 second. Let's go down the candy aisle. What way is the candy? I don't know. Oh, it's this way. I'm gonna go against it again. They're Hershey Kisses. Hershey Kisses. Looking. Where are Hershey Kisses? They better not only come out at Christmas time because I'm gonna be pissed if they only come out at Christmas time. I found the Kisses. I can use these as spikes, definitely. I'm gonna get 2 bags. Anywho, let's go to the checkout. I'm detouring because I'm gonna go look at a Hot Wheel. Because what I am going for is a 2-dimensional look. I want it to look like the monster truck is like going up a hill and have like other cars there. You know what I mean? That's exactly what I want to do. Yeah. I hate it when you like walk through a store and you feel like you're being followed and such. Everybody's staring at you. Looking at cars. Cars get. Oh. Man, why didn't they have this kind of cool stuff when I was a kid? I'm gonna get this one. Piran. Cool. Okay. I'm done. Now I can check out. Nonchalantly. How's the view? Everybody can see boogers?
Select your page.
We made it out. all the way. So I'm gonna go home now and then I'll show you guys the cakes that I have in my vision. Because I want to make this cake look really good for him because it's his 4th birthday. He's gonna be 4. I can't freaking believe it. You guys, I just got in the car and I think this guy is like, he's trying not to hit the blue car. Like he was so close. Oh my god. Okay, driving! Also, but first, before I go home, I must get the coffee. Because if I don't get the coffee, I will be the cranky. And it's 9:30 at night.
Hi, can I help you?
Hi there, can I get a large ice cap?
Yep.
And a medium dark roast, 2 milk, 1 sugar?
Are you willing to wait?
Oh, no dark roast, right?
No.
Can I get a green tea with 1 milk instead?
No problem.
And that's everything.
See you at the window.
Thank you. Oh, we have to wait for dark roast. Ooh, what a mess. It's a mess on the ground. Where is my Tim Hortons card? Tim Hortons card. There's my debit card. Where is the Tim Hortons card? Oh my gosh. I can't find my Tim Hortons card. Where are you? Oh, I found it. So long of a wait. Thank you.
Do you do your nails?
Of course I do my nails.
They look amazing.
Thank you.
I love them every time we come. I just look at them.
They're gonna be different very soon, I promise.
I'll be out. Thanks for the update. I'll be watching.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
You too. Had to roll up my window because there was people walking. Did you guys hear that? She liked my nails. Eh? I have no idea what's going on today, guys. I'm like super hyper and I was just like, maybe I should record making Vinny's cake. Maybe it'll turn out good. Maybe it'll turn out bad. But I'm really, really gonna try. Like, for real. Let's signal, shall we? And now let's turn. See you at home. Instant karma, guys. Don't run red lights. Also, I want to mention, I was going to do a video on why my nail had come off because there was a bad story with it. And I just wanted to kind of chillax because I don't want to like cry during the video. You know what I mean? So I've already done my nails. I have a haul video. I'll probably do like a story video or something. But I will tell you guys what happened because it was very terrible. But at the same time, I'm okay. I'm super hyped that I am still alive. So, yes. People walking with babies. Turning into my driveway. You guys should see the corn I grew. I'll show you. I'm so proud. Corn. Look at it. Look at it. See the silkies? There's corn. Okay, so as soon as I got home, the cake was ready. So I have my vision, and I will show you guys my... I know you want Max D. I'm going to show you guys my vision, because I also had to draw down the little Max D logo. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do to make this thing look more like Max D and not like a mess. Okay, so I had to draw my little Max D thing, because what I'm going to do is... I'm going to take some regular white paper and I'm going to make the door panel that goes like on the truck so I can get this emblem like nice, and I'm going to do it with like marker and that, and then I'm going to laminate it with a self-laminating paper. And I'm also going to do, there's a little flag that's off the back of the truck as well, and I'm going to put that on one of these lollipop sticks, obviously shorter, and I'm going to laminate it to that so I can do that. So where's my pencil? Do you have my pencil? That's not a pencil. This is something different. But there's another one. Okay, so the cake tray is like this. Cool. So I'm gonna do the 12 cupcakes. 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like this. And I'm gonna frost them so that they look like a hill. And then I got 2 bigger cupcakes. I'm gonna do those like tires. And then I'm gonna take the square one and I'm gonna cut it.
You're mating.
Your head's in the way, silly boy.
You're mating.
And I'm gonna, that's kind of what it looks like. But you guys see what I mean. So then I can just put that panel that I'm gonna make over top of the cake. And because it's laminated, it's not gonna hurt nothing. And then he'll have a little flag, and then I can ice it the rest of the way. And then use the thingies for the spikes and make it look like the monster truck, right? Right, okay. So I will fast forward to me doing this part. Okay, cool. So I tried to draw and I didn't like the way it was looking, so I'm just gonna print everything on the computer and cut it out and laminate it. And that'll work. Oh my god. It looks like a monster truck, sort of.
Oh, this is gonna be awesome.
I know, right? That's awesome. Flag. Door panel. By the door panel. By the door panel. So I have these and I have this. So now I'm going to take these, I'm going to laminate them and cut them out. Okay? Okay. Okay. We have our pieces. It's wrinkled, but I like it anyway because it looks like it's waving. Like it? Cool. It's very noisy. Yeah, Max D cake. Okay, so I look, I have dye everywhere, guys. Look. So I finished it instead of going step by step because I really wanted to get this done and get it in the fridge because it's a little warm and things were starting to sag a little bit. But I'm going to show you guys the finished cake. And I am by all means not a professional cake maker, but I think this is pretty darn cool. So I'm going to flip the camera around. What? We've got the dirt hill and the monster truck with the spikes. Don't mind my mess on my counter. And the little flaggy. I think that looks pretty good. All the cupcakes there. Friggin' awesome! I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog compilation of me making the cake or attempting to make the cake. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay jazzy, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye!